Welcome all. So in this lesson we will solve quadratic equations using formula. So what is formula? Roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. So let's go on solving some questions. So the first one, here the quadratic equation is in the variable m. So if we compare, it's already in the general form, so we have m square minus 7m plus 5 equal to 0. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 5. I hope you understand this, right? m square का कोएफिशिएंट यानी a is 1, x का m का कोएफिशिएंट यानी ही b minus 7 and constant 5. So हमें एक वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ती है b square minus 4ac. तो मैं यहाँ पर पहले ही वो निकाल लेता हूँ. Here b square minus 4ac. So minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 5, which is 49 minus 20 is equal to 29. Now m is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. So we have minus of minus 7 plus minus under root of 29, because we have found out this value, upon 2 into 1, which is 7 plus minus under root 29 upon 2. Hence roots are the two values of m, right? So अगर हम लोग रूट्स लिखना चाहें तो ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. So 7 प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ, मैं पहले स्मॉलर वैल्यू लिखूंगा, 7 माइनस अंडर रूट 29 अपॉन 2, और दूसरी वैल्यू है 7 प्लस अंडर रूट 29 upon 2. Okay, so this is how we solve this first question. Now let's solve another one. Okay, this is the question. So 5x square is equal to 4x plus 2. तो पहले हम सभी टर्म्स एक साइड में लेके जाएंगे. तो 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. वेयर वी विल कंपेयर इट? वी विल कंपेयर विथ ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इक्वल टू 0. सो a इज इक्वल टू 5, b इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4, c is equal to minus 2. So here again we will first find the value of b square minus 4ac. So we get minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 5 into minus 2, which is 16 plus plus 40. So it is 56. By formula, right? What is the formula now? So value of x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. So here it is minus of minus 4 plus minus under root of 56 upon 2 into 5, which is 4 plus minus under root of. Now 56 can be written as 4 into 14 divided by, here we have 2 into 5, which we can write as 4 plus minus 2 root 14 upon 2 into 5, which is actually 2 plus minus root 14 upon 5. correct? Hence roots are x is equal to 2 minus root 14 by 5 and other root is 2 plus root 14 upon 5. So I hope you understood it. 2 minus root 14 by 5 and 2 plus root 14 by 5. These are the two roots of this quadratic equation. Let's solve one more. So x square minus 5x is equal to 0. So if we compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, so here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac becomes minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 0, that is equal to 25. Hence x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon twice a, which is minus of minus 5 plus minus under root of 25 upon 2 into 1, which is 5 plus minus 5 upon 2, which is 0 by 2, 10 by 2, which is 0 or 5. Hence roots are x is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. So these are the two roots. Solve one more problem. So let's solve one more problem. 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a का वैल्यू कितना है 2, b का वैल्यू 3, c का वैल्यू 4. Here b square minus 4ac, which is 3 का square minus 4 into 2 into 4, which is 9 minus 32. 4 into 2, yes 32. So subtraction हो गया minus 23. Okay. So this b square minus 4ac का वैल्यू minus 23 आया. What is roots? So roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. So put the values. So we have minus 3 plus minus under root of minus 23 upon 2 into 2. So minus 3 plus minus under root of minus 23 upon 4. ऐसे आपको दो रूट्स मिले. लेकिन ये रूट्स इंटरेस्टिंग है. क्या इंटरेस्टिंग है? यहाँ पर अंडर रूट ऑफ निगेटिव. देखो किसी भी रियल नंबर का स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव होता है. सो अगर आप पॉजिटिव नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट लेते हो तो रियल नंबर मिलेगा, लेकिन निगेटिव नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट इज नॉट अ रियल नंबर. सो रूट्स आर नॉट रियल in this case. In 11th class you will understand they are called complex roots, complex numbers, but that's for the next class. तो अभी के लिए आपको उतना नहीं सोचना है, वैल्यूज निकालने हैं. और अंडर रूट के अंदर निगेटिव कहीं पर आ रहा है, मतलब आपको मालूम है कि roots are not real. Up. I want you to solve some questions as homework. So see, these are the three problems I want you to solve, and whatever answers you get, please write it in the comments so that मैं आगे का